One popular variation is an extra side door with sealed divider. This creates an additional secure space within your service body, so you can have a wet area that could be perhaps hosed out and your dirty stock and these sorts of things. It also enables you to have an area in your service body where you've got tools and stock that your team can utilise throughout the day whilst keeping one area completely dry and secure. It's separately lockable. In this case, for this tradesperson, they've chosen to have their fridge here and secure. Maybe they were tired of having their drink stocked off throughout a workday, so they've put their fridge in the sealed, secure area. But in all seriousness, the main reason for the investment is to have a sealed area that doesn't get wet, doesn't get extra dust in it and all the rest. You can leave the rest of your service body open for your team to use throughout the day whilst keeping an area secure. The other great advantage, of course, is it creates an additional wall within your service body in which you can use these accessory mounting struts to mount other accessories in the middle of your service body. So feel free to book an appointment with a Hydro Mobile Workspace specialist. We'd be keen to understand your trade and build what you need to succeed for years to come.